Hello everyone, welcome to the April My Monthly Hero release. Let's take a look at everything that's included in the April My Monthly Hero kit. Starting off with this awesome greenhouse die set. I love this so much. There's actually 28 dies in this set. You can see the main feature is this gorgeous large greenhouse die. Let's flip it over so you can see the scale. Awesome that there's 2 dies in this set, so you can create die cut acetate or vellum to put behind that greenhouse panel. And as you can see, there's a bunch of other dies that create the plants and even that cute little kitty sitting outside. So awesome, and there's awesome die set and so much you can do with it. Here's some projects created with this set. Started with this first super cute card with Kelly, that Kelly made with a acetate panel underneath. I love that, so fun and creative, and it's a shaped card, so that's really cool. Another thing you can do with that die. Here's a fun greenhouse card as well, using white cardstock instead of acetate. And this one has kind of an opening and closing flap. So many fun things. And as we get through the other projects in my stack here, you'll see other ways that greenhouse die is used. Next up, we have a new Stampin' Cut. This is the House Plants Stampin' Cut. I love the images in this set. I have a bunch of houseplants myself, and I think they are so fun to create a scene with, and I love coloring them as well. There's even a cute little kitty sleeping in a little ball here, which I think is adorable. Because this is a Stampin' Cut, you have all of the dies in the back here, including dies to cut out the sentiments. And look at this sentiment die here. Cuts out all that negative space between the 2 lines of text. So beautiful. Very nice detail. Makes it a lacier cut. And here you can see some projects we have created with some simple Copic coloring. And there's that greenhouse die there used like a bookshelf. So another fun way to use that die. So cool. And then you can create, of course, a little focal point just with those plants and kitty right on your card front as well. Now we have another Stampin' Cut included in the April My Monthly Hero kit. This is the You Grow Girl Stampin' Cut. This is an awesome solid stamp set with a bunch of sentiments. You have solid stamps for the vases as well as the flowers and stems. I love solid stamps. They allow you to not have to color but still have colorful projects thanks to colored ink. So love this set, and of course, because it's a Stampin' Cut, you have the dies for all of the images as well as all the sentiments here in the back. So lots of sentiments in this month's kit, which is great for your card making. Let's look at some projects here with this beautiful set. Here you can see Kelly stamped these out, these vases and leaves out, as well as the flowers out of colored ink. I love the way this turned out. Great focal point. You can make these arrangements as full or as minimal as you like, so some flexibility there. Of course, you can choose your colors, so you can have this fit for different seasons as well. And then here's another fun project with this set. Combined with that greenhouse die, lots of vases. You can see lots of different styles of way to do those vases, again stamped in colored ink, so it's very easy to create colorful projects with that set. And last but not least, we have this awesome card by Kelly as well, and she used the flowers and leaves to create a wreath over her greenhouse die cut. I think that turned out so pretty in such a creative way to use those flowers and leaves from that Stampin' Cut. Now, last but not least, we have some paper included in this month's kit. Let me fan these out so you can see all the beautiful cardstocks included in this month's kit. So here are all the colored cardstocks included in the kit. They are half sheets, so 8.5 by 5.5, and a beautiful assortment of colors, perfect for this fun plant and greenhouse theme. Okay, let's now take a look at everything that's included in the April My Monthly Superhero. Starting off with this amazing die set. This is the Fresh Flowers die set. There's 23 dies in this die set. There's so many different leaves and flowers. I really love it, even including this large vase here. This will fill your card front very easily. In fact, it could even be used to kind of create a bouquet kind of spilling out and over. Such a stunning assortment of flowers and different layers, so you can add depth and interest with different colored cardstocks or a little bit of ink blending. This one is a powerhouse for sure. Let's look at some projects created with this set, starting with this beautiful card here that Kelly created. Look at how beautiful her flowers look. Just again, simply layering different colored cardstocks. I love how she took the opportunity to stamp something onto the vase, which is add some nice texture and interest. Such a stunning focal point. Here's another project with that beautiful die set on black cardstock for a background that just makes all those flowers pop. And you can see here how the vase can kind of be arranged so you have it kind of off the card edge, and that just really does create this big focal point for your card. Now we're going to move on to the sentiment set, which you did see on both of these cards. This is the Hello Beautiful Stampin' Cut, a bunch of beautiful sentiments in this set. I love the font of these. I love the linear design. I find linear design super easy to incorporate into my card making. There's even a couple flowers that you can stamp for little addition images as well. And of course, this is a Stampin' Cut, which means there are the coordinating dies in the back, which is just so awesome. And here you can see it used on this card. A great, clever way of using that sentiment, combining not only kind of the main sentiment, but one of the smaller sub-sentiments in that set, and some of those dies from the greenhouse die set. I love the way this turned out. Next up, we have a watering can die set. This is so cute, creates a little cute focal point for your card. It's not even that tiny, actually. It's pretty large. You have a bunch of leaves, a heart. This is just super wonderful with the other images, including the flowers and the greenhouse. I think it works so well with those. And here you can see I created a whole scene with the leaves and actually used the dies from the sentiment set here. Use those floral dies to create my flowers for this scene, and how wonderful are those sentiments incorporated with this arched opening. So perfect. And here's another stunning card that Kelly created. She actually used the flowers from the very first die set in the super kit. And then you can see here, she turned the greenhouse into a window, which I think is such a brilliant way, again, to use that greenhouse die. So that is everything included in the super. Let's take a look at our passport. Did you know that if you get 12 consecutive months of My Monthly Superhero, you can get a free special Hero Arts gift? This is the Hero Arts My Monthly Superhero Passport. It's easy. All you have to do is print out this map that's linked on the subscribe page of our website and simply stick on the sticker that comes in your kit. You can start anytime, but you need to get 12 months in a row. Tag us on social throughout your journey to share your progress, and email us with a picture of your completed passport to receive your gift. And that wraps up our closer look at the April My Monthly Hero release. Pick up yours at heroarts.com today.